Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Docker Compose files with environment snapshots, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have Docker and Docker Compose installed on your system. Open your terminal or command prompt to get started. Navigate to the directory where your Docker Compose files are stored. To create a backup directory, use the command dir backup. Then, change into the backup directory using cd backup. Next, identify the name of your Docker Compose file, typically named dockercompose.yml. To copy the Docker Compose file, use the command cp/dockercompose.yml. This command copies the Compose file into your backup directory. Now, let's create an environment snapshot. You can use tools like tar to create an archive of your environment. Run the command tar czvfenv_snapshot.tar.gz/your_environment_directory. Replace your _environment_directory with the path to your environment files. This command compresses the directory into a .tar.gz file for easier storage. After the snapshot is created, double-check your backup directory. Ensure both the dockercompose.yml file and the environment snapshot file are present. If you have multiple services, consider backing up each service's compose file individually. Once backups are confirmed, you can exit the backup directory using cd. Your backup process is now complete. Finally, remember to periodically update your backups to reflect any changes in your setup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.